Hey everyone, how are you all doing in this crazy pandemic? It's been such a long time since we posted a video on our YouTube channel. Most of the videos that we actually post are now random, like from the places that we've been to, and we noticed that there is a huge view on these type of videos specifically for mechanical keyboards. So I just wanted to share with you the recent changes that I have made. What you see here is a Gateron yellow switch. Originally my RK61 or Royal Clutch 61 keyboard is it came with a blue switch, and throughout the number of months that I have used it, I kind of got bored. And at first I like the clicky sound of it, but recently, I've grown out of the sound, and I wanted to see somewhere I can work even though I'm inside the bedroom with my kids, that they don't get disturbed from all the clicking that I've been making. So right here, what you can see is that what I put in was an Optimal red switch, and right now what I'm trying to do is to actually take it out. Now, just to let you know the recent changes that I have made, or the recent change actually that I made on my keyboard, is that I had it Millmax. So this type of, or the RK61, is not hot swappable, meaning whatever switch it came with, those you cannot remove unless if you have it Millmax. So a couple months back, I joined this mechanical keyboard enthusiast group on Facebook here in the Philippines, and I was able to check on, different keyboards, different keycaps, mouse pads, and all of that good stuff. Even taking inspiration from, their setup, work from home setup, gaming setup, everything that you can take inspiration of. So what you see here on the video is just me putting in the new switches that I have purchased in the marketplace. It's the Gateron Yellow. So for those of you who are interested in getting your mechanical keyboards Millmax, I would highly recommend KEYBRO. KEYBRO is actually, or can be found in Facebook. The person under that account is Kobe Frente. He is also a keyboard enthusiast and is a member of the Facebook page or the Facebook group that I'm currently on. And he is from Cavite. So what happened was, now since I am from Cebu, I actually had my RK61 shipped over from Cebu to his location, which is in Luzon. So I did pay for the shipping fee. I'm not really sure how much it was, but for the Millmax, for this 64% keyboard, it's actually for 1,400. Now he did suggest that I also get a stab modification because it was rattling when you click on it. It has a rattle on it, so it's kind of scratchy and noisy. So he did put a stab modification on there, so everything is in place, no more rattling sound, and that was only for 200 pesos. So overall I paid for 1,600 without shipping cost. The shipping cost would really depend on which area you're on, but I can definitely say it's totally worth it. The reason that I had it all the way shipped to his area is because I don't see myself buying another keyboard. So, yeah, it's very worth it. This seller, Kobe from KEYBRO, is actually very friendly and he's very informative. From the very first time that I asked an inquiry about his services, he's very detailed, which I like. There's no room for like any, yeah. As you can see, I'm very speechless. It's just that when I first asked him, that question, he gave me all the details, and no details were left out. So yeah, I didn't have any second thoughts that my keyboard will be safe. And I can say that's totally worth it. So I will actually put the information for KEYBRO down in the bottom so you can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, that's about it. Service is awesome. I will absolutely give it a 10 over 10. And if I have any, modification that will be made on my future keyboard, then I'll be sure to contact KEYBRO. No doubt about it. Shipping fee, all worth it. Alright, so all keycaps are in. And I just want to make a quick disclaimer that, there's is no way sponsored by KEYBRO or anything. It's just a personal review because I was highly satisfied with his service, and I'm very grateful that my keyboard is safe and sound, and I'm very satisfied with the level of professionalism that he had and his level of expertise. So if you're still here watching, thank you so much for staying with me and for checking out this video. If you like more videos like this, please let us know in the comments. And here's the sound test. Have a good one.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.